I'm really excited to share three major developments that are unfolding right here in Nghastell-nedd Port Talbot. Firstly, I am pleased to see that Lanzatech has secured planning permission to create a sustainable aviation fuel facility in Port Talbot. This is a huge milestone for the project, which will see pioneering carbon recycling facility being built, creating over 150 full-time jobs. I would also like to welcome Luciana Ciubotariu as the first permanent Chief Executive of the Celtic Freeport. Her vast experience in trade and government affairs will be vital as we enter the next phase of the project. With our outline business case to both the Welsh and UK governments, we are a step closer to our vision of the Freeport. This will drive major inward investment, create new skilled jobs and accelerate supply chain opportunities and contribute to the decarbonisation programme. Finally, I'm pleased to hear that the UK government has chosen to support the future Port Talbot project as one of two throughout the UK, which will progress to the next stage shortly. This is a big step towards transforming the Port of Port Talbot into a hub for floating offshore wind and green energy development. This significant investment, alongside ABP's commitment, will see the creation of a green economic hub, bringing with it jobs and further supply chain opportunities in our region. These announcements support our ambition to ensure Nghastell-nedd Port Talbot continues to be a place to live, work and thrive. Thank you.